Alrighty, well, it's time for Anello Answers It Again. And have you noticed that for much of the last week, we've had sky conditions looking fairly similar to this, all of the clouds in our area? Well, if you want to know why, it could be because of overrunning. Now, of course, we've had all the storms to our south and west, and we're praying for those who are being impacted by the flooding conditions. But here in North Alabama, this is what we're seeing. This red line is a warm front, warmer air, and it's pushing onto this wedge of cold air. Now, of course, the cold air is denser, so it falls to the surface, while warm air, we know as rises, pushes up into the sky. As the warm air rises, it does begin to cool and push over and over that cold air. Now, of course, we're no strangers to this. This is when condensation takes place. We develop clouds, cumulonimbus storm clouds, stratus clouds, which are bringing our fog in, dense conditions, and it begins to rain. Now, eventually what happens, though, is that air pushes so far over that cold front that it actually becomes almost too cooled, and it no longer can produce rain and storms. But what it does produce for us is significantly cooler temperatures, thick low-hanging clouds, and even some foggy conditions. Now, immediately outside of some of the storms, we can see things called gust fronts, which is a quick blast of cold air. But here in North Alabama, our gloomy conditions and our not-so-sunny skies have been as a result of overrunning and some other priming atmospheric conditions from all of the storms to our southwest. So that's how you can explain what's been happening in our region for the last few days and what you can thank for more sun coming this weekend. Hey, if you've got a question, go ahead and ask it to me. Anello Answers It. I'm always accepting emails at ganello@waytv.com, and I would love to hear from you.